Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide your birth month on X, Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up your profile settings. Next, locate and click on the Edit Profile button in the top right section of the screen. This will allow you to make changes to your profile information. Now, scroll down until you find the birth date section and click on the Edit option. A pop-up menu will appear. Click on the Edit button again in the pop-up menu to access the birth date settings. Select the month and day fields and set the visibility to only you. This will ensure that your birth month is hidden from others. Finally, click on the Save Changes button to apply the settings and save your updated profile information. By following these easy steps, you can protect your privacy by hiding your birth month on X, Twitter, using your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.